This year in East, we have started the year by having many guests from the community visit our class and talk to us about their work and ways we could help them.
One guest was Sarah Boyd, an occupational therapist from All Aboard Pediatric Therapy. Ms. Boyd shared with us what an occupational therapist is and ways we could help make custom items she needs to use with her clients.
One need that we connected to her was the need for marker grippers for many of her clients who needed extra support for fine motor skills that influence tasks like writing and coloring.
Hi, my name is Felix.
I'm Collin.
I'm Isaiah.
And our project is
Get a Grip.
We decided on this project because we wanted to learn how to 3D print a little bit better. We also wanted to help kids with their fine motor skills.
So pencil grippers are a very common tool that we use, but there's no such thing out in the market for a marker gripper. For smaller hands to use a pencil requires a lot more precision and accuracy and fine motor. But for younger kids, we often use a fatter marker for their little hands. And so we wanted a gripper for that because it did not exist.
We develop empathy for the user by noticing how important it is to learn how to write and draw during your younger ages.
Yeah.
Good you, yes.
Look, L.
Good L.
The square one is a little bit looser, so in order to hold the marker you actually have to pinch, and this is what's called a tripod grasp. Kids start out grasping a marker. Little kids will use a gross grasp like this to scribble, then it moves on to a pronated grasp like this, and finally we work up to a tripod grasp, which is what we use. And so we position the gripper and they hold it like this, 1, 2, 3, and they squeeze it and are able to use the marker that way. Just gives them a little bit of a tactile cue.
The process to make a marker gripper is to design it in Tinkercad, then send it to FlashCloud, which then sends it to a printer, which then we give it to All Aboard Pediatric Therapy.
We started this project by creating our first marker gripper. That took many fails and many tries, but eventually we got it right.
Some of the struggles that we've had in the process of making a marker gripper is definitely the settings of the 3D printer and the size of the marker gripper, what it needs to be. We are really glad this project has been able to help so many kids with their occupational and educational needs.
Good work.
We hope our designs, when we share them with others, will go on to help other therapists and other kids across the world.